Hey guys, what's up? Emmanuel Sakala right here. Today we just want to do a follow-up tutorial on the previous tutorial that we did, the Mai Chisamba, which was a song by Louis Mhlanga. So I got a lot of requests on how to play the lead licks. So we're going to do it in parts. So the first part I'm going to do today is the first lead lick. And then I'm just going to do it as slow as possible so that you can also learn from that. So what I want you to learn is everything that we're going to be playing there is notes that are taken from the major scale. So I'll start by playing the major scale pattern, and then I'll just show you how you get those notes that are played by song Mai Chisamba. Hope that you learned something. Right. If you enjoyed and learned something from the tutorial, please make sure that you subscribe and like, share the link so that more people can also benefit from the things that we post here. Thank you.